kana
no manti ba upcoming binebeshongoro kuchiza beshongoro abaru abeshongoro abaru no shanga upcoming aine album yebeshongoro 36 kandi byona nabita hit ati nyebuza abecho mu industry twine beshongoro 36 hit wache. So sometimes you have to know when you want to come and what you want, how are you going to release your music, how are you going to market your music, and that's in the market. The market nayo ni nkuru aho kuba market yanje te yawe, market ya T-Paul te ya Rastado wachenga. So you have to know abantu abo yo no eshongo wachenga aho kuba bafani ba Rastado bo bari different aba T-Paul. So namanya cyo gukora na T-Paul namanya cyo gukora no shanga tubakora idinga kandi Rastado tarayizire akwenda kubanga T-Paul
akija koreche
akeza naenda kweshonga nka Rastado wachenga hata bakusinga cyekizo cyabo naiza kwenda kweshonga nka Kaizi naenda kweshongora nka Beazini naenda kweshongora nka no bamanya beshonga. So oshanga nti yare hata romeshongo wanzize naenda kweshonga nka Tetari namjiro yo mwana no mujungu umwana naishongore nti wachenga.
So umwana jati nyunyinde nyishongore ko
Tetari ati Tetari yawe ari umurengore niwe na kwizoryo
kororwawe korukombeke kintu kandi wanocombeka notandika nabawe abo inaho abakuryo mu rubaje. Yes, JK is webare kuganira nito kandi webare kutambara nito murebe bitu wankore media otebwa ngo by the way JK is I know Beazini said I have there a charity BD and a charity birthday party. Birthday Angel.
I was wondering, I went to a birthday Miyakesho. That's what not sent.
So